Knabe, and Vice President of Engineering at Infinirel. What I'd like to show you today is a demonstration in the lab of our ESR health detection capacity. What we have is a standard inverter, single phase, that has a number of electrolytic capacitors on the DC link. These are known to be high failure items. What we have in the lab is a technology that allows us to hook a current clamp to the input and to the output, and we're able to actually measure the health of these DC link capacitors. In this particular unit, we have instrumented the inverter to actually insert a relay in series with the capacitors to show a failed capacitor. What we have is from the current probes, we go into a set of A to D converters that convert this at high speed. Goes into a laptop running LabVIEW for our demonstration program, and then that is controlled on the web by our control system based on our Avid dashboard setup. To control our setup, we're going to set the ESR to increase, which sets the resistance to a higher value.
Since our lab is deprived from sunlight, we use batteries to power our single-phase test inverter. The DC link capacitor bank buffers the energy coming from the batteries as it is delivered in pulses to the power stage, 16,000 times per second. In order to rapidly age the capacitor, we add resistance in series with its natural equivalent series resistance, also called ESR. During normal operation, the relay is closed, short-circuiting the added resistor. When the relay is opened, the inverter suffers from an aged capacitor at its end of life. Its ability to store and deliver energy is compromised through resistance that is now 3 times as high as its original value. Poor power quality can take this inverter offline. Increased thermal and voltage stress on electrical components ultimately lead to catastrophic failure.
We have a nominal value of about 0.03 ohms for the measured resistance. When I add the extra resistors by commanding it on the web, you can see we get a rapid indication on our instruments that there's something wrong with this inverter. Now, the inverter is still producing power. It looks normal from a normal standpoint. However, it has a highly elevated resistance in the capacitors, and this unit is prone to failure in a short order.